The reason that the chip and charge is so effective is because most people, when they're taught to serve, they're taught to hit the serve and step back because you can't take the ball out of the air. Well, if someone's hitting the serve and they're stepping back, then if you perform the chip and charge, the ball will already be coming over the net when they're stepping back, making them have to scramble to move forward. Want to turn your defense into offense and leave your opponent scrambling? Well, it's time to learn the chip and charge. The chip and charge is a return of serve. Think of it like a sneak attack. You're going to take the ball off the rise, reducing the amount of time that your opponent has to react, and instantly move towards the kitchen. How you want to start is get low in an athletic position. You step into the court, and as soon as the ball comes in, you take it off the rise. You don't give your opponent a lot of time to react to the ball. You split step and move in. The chip and charge will catch your opponent off guard. Depending on their serve, if it's a hard serve, a slow serve, that'll dictate what you want to do. But you want to move in, get low in the ready position, and prepared to take the ball off the rise and move into the kitchen. When you're performing the chip and charge, you're not taking a full swing for your forehand or your backhand. You're starting in the ready position, keeping the paddle head above your wrist. Try to have an Eastern grip on your forehand or a continental grip on your backhand. The key is to get low, because when you split step, want to bend your knees, get low down to the ball, keeping the paddle head above your wrist, and a short, tiny swing, blocking it back off of the rise. The reason that the chip and charge is so effective is because most people, when they're taught to serve, they're taught to hit the serve and step back because you can't take the ball out of the air. Well, if someone's hitting the serve and they're stepping back, then if you perform the chip and charge, the ball will already be coming over the net when they're stepping back, making them have to scramble to move forward. This will catch your opponent off guard, and by the time they react to it, you should already be up to the kitchen. They'll be scrambling to get into the ball and contact it below the level of the net at their knees, and you will be at the kitchen able to hit a strong offensive volley. Don't just hit a return with no plan. Hit a return, but do so with a purpose. And one of those can be the chip and charge. I was playing pickleball the other day and I broke out the chip and charge. It catches people off guard, especially if they're trying to hit a power serve or a hard serve. They expect you to back up, letting the ball bounce and taking it at its peak, because it's easier to hit the ball at waist level. If you step in, take it off the rise as a chip and charge, it catches them off guard. One guy was really mad about it. Eventually, he just hit the ball into the net out of frustration. I thought I was gonna get hit, but we had a good laugh about it afterwards. In any event, try the chip and charge. It will catch your opponent off guard and can give you an advantage. For more instructional pickleball videos, as well as strategy and tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button.